Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA for today in trading Euro, Australian, Japan, and Great Britain USD. So actually the timing of the day I actually tried to trade is at about before 9:30. That's the first mistake is somehow I forgotten that I should trade when after the market open. So technically you should only trade after market open, which is 9:30. Now actually New York at night is 9:30 to 11:30. Then Asian 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 8 to 10, and European is 4 to 6. So in hours within this timing, we need to find the good entry location to enter. And so for today's overall the downtrend for Australia is down. So I should always look for going short. Then the next is I actually entered at this area because I thought that it broke this low and it should go down, but the timing of the day is not right. It's at 8 o'clock, which I should have entered like maybe after 9:30. But even though at like 9:30 it went to make another high, it broken up and got shot back down. So actually the 9 o'clock here is against the trend. So against the trend actually you just put entry here when it broke out. Then actually I tried here lah, but I failed again. That's why I gave up. It's like so hard lah. Actually, I would say very hard to time it right. So for this entry, timing of day is bad. And I mean technically location wise also okay lah, but because of this guy he tried once already. Actually the first one is this guy, he back down. This guy come out, he tried once, tried twice, third time, and the timing of day is kind of bad lah, I would say. So this is like the fourth time. So technically you should just let try a higher spot. You like try 1, 2, 3, 4 times already. So this sell is actually bad. The sell at this the higher high, which is higher than this guy, is okay. You can just take it down here. But whether it will go back down is another issue which we need to see. So Australia, Japan, what can I do to be better? You understand that this level has been tested for 1, 2, 3, 4. So why do we want to try at this level? So the level is bad. Number 2 is the level is bad is 1. Number 2 is timing of the day is not right. So we actually this is a bad trade. So what can I do better is go with the flow, go with the trend, find a level that is not tested so many times. Like here, even though here creates a new level, but this guy test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. That's why we shouldn't try at these levels. Okay. But when it broken up and a new high and it got rejected, we actually could try here. It's like 10 o'clock. Okay. So next is Great Britain USD. This one is just bad. I would say just very bad. Try and do a counter trend and when it range here. This one is technically just emotional trading. I didn't really analyze anything. I just see that it's a trend down. Then there's this thick level over here. Then I just try to go up, but it's just feel so terribly. Euraud is Henning's call also, so technically it's similar to Australian Japan, but it's technically better, I'll say. But we see that there's this thick level where the buyers tried. So when it came down here, right, at this level, I actually see whether you bounce from this level. So the problem with this is my entry, that this the guy who started it came down. The guy started it V formation. The guy who started it got taken out again. Then when the candle haven't closed like that, then this guy who started still haven't gonna eaten alive, haven't gonna eaten alive. Then it slow down. Slow. Okay, V formation. Then you wait for the test. So it's like 2 candles, maybe like 3 or 4 candles down there. Then we can sell and go long. But the issue is come up strong rejection. Strong rejection. So this is no trade. Then the thing proceeded to go to hit the low again. I think RJ bought it here. That's the main. This the RJ. RJ entered at this level, which is very insane. I would say very. How did he enter? The reason why he can do such a thing because it's with the trend. When you're with the trend, it's actually easier to do it. So same thing, timing not right. Timing of day. This one, I'll say location wise is okay. Location wise okay. Go up first time touch. Same, but there's this strong seller over here. So location wise is okay, decent. Just that entry location okay, entry got problem. But then how did the RJ come in here without like V formation? Right? The only way to do this kind of like entry is when doing is in the trend, follow the trend. So there's a big difference between my this is a style that maybe I want to trade lah. It's like first we need with the trend after market hours, and it broke the extremes, which is here. Broke the extremes, then kind of like 5 minutes. Then we just take and try. That is with the trend. If against the trend, don't do this kind of bullshit. So that's how it works. You can just buy so now I think I can okay. You can buy at the extremes when it's just like 5 minute anticipation buy go. but then if it's not extreme, you have to wait for your V formation test. Oh, maybe that's how it works. If not extreme, then you wait for it. Okay, okay. It's like if you just use 5 minutes only, then it's like kind of so so technically if okay, that's the thing I need to take note. So after market hours, extreme, follow trend, go.